Cadre Real Estate Investment App Review, Usage Experience. Links to Cadre and related resources can be found in the description below. Cadre is a premium real estate investment platform tailored for accredited investors who want access to institutional quality commercial real estate. With a focus on transparency, liquidity, and curated investment opportunities, it stands out as a sophisticated solution for diversifying on your portfolio with high-quality assets. One of Cadre's standout features is its direct investment model, which provides access to commercial real estate opportunities such as multifamily housing, office spaces, and industrial properties. Unlike traditional REITs, Cadre allows investors to directly choose and allocate funds to individual properties, giving them greater control over their portfolio. Cadre also focuses heavily on vetting investment opportunities, partnering with top-tier sponsors, and leveraging in-depth market analysis. Each property undergoes a rigorous screening process to ensure it meets Cadre's strict quality and return criteria. This transparency, combined with detailed property overviews and projected performance data, empowers investors to make informed decisions. The platform offers a unique liquidity option, which sets it apart from many competitors. Cadre's secondary market allows investors to sell their shares in properties after a one-year lockup period, providing flexibility in what is traditionally a long-term, illiquid asset class. This makes it an attractive choice for investors who may need more liquidity than typical real estate investments offer. Another highlight is Cadre's focus on returns and diversification. The platform aims to deliver both income and capital appreciation, with opportunities structured to balance risk and reward. With minimum investments typically starting at $25,000, it's positioned for serious investors who are ready to commit to high-quality assets. Cadre's user-friendly dashboard ensures seamless navigation, providing clear performance metrics, quarterly updates, and projected cash flows. This level of detail allows you to monitor your investments closely and stay updated on market performance. While Cadre is limited to accredited investors and requires a significant minimum investment, it offers exceptional opportunities for those meeting the criteria. In conclusion, Cadre is an excellent platform for accredited investors seeking institutional-grade commercial real estate investments with transparency, control, and optional liquidity. Its curated opportunities and secondary market make it a standout option for serious real estate investors. Check the links in the description to explore Cadre and see if it aligns with your financial goals. This review should clarify whether Cadre is the right fit for your investment strategy.